Do you want to manage your family's wealth and assets in a tax-efficient way? Forming a Hindu Undivided Family (HUF) can help you save taxes and create a separate legal entity for your family's income. Afin Advisory brings you the HUF Starter Kit, a complete package that covers everything from deed creation and PAN to ITR filings and tax planning. Instead of buying each services separately, you can get all of these essentials in one complete kit and save more. HUF Starter Kit is a structured solution for families who want to legally create a Hindu Undivided Family and manages its finances separately. It includes all necessary legal and tax advisory services from setting up your HUF to maintaining its annual compliance. First, HUF creation. From deed drafting, PAN. Create a valid, legal, recognized HUF with expert documentation. We provide custom HUF deed drafting based on your family details. We provide guidance for notarization and stamping. Supports for HUF members, declaration, and also PAN application and assistance for HUF entity. With your HUF, you become a separate legal entity and taxable entity.
Second, bank account setup guidance. After your HUF is created, we help you open a dedicated HUF bank account. You will receive a list of required documents for bank account submission. Guidance on using HUF deed and PAN correctly. Letter of introduction for the bank manager. We support in calls in case of any account related issue. This ensures your HUF has a functional and compliant financial setup. Third, income tax filing. File your HUF's income tax return professionally and on time. It includes preparation and filing of ITR 2 or ITR 3 based on income tax sources, reconciliation with Form 26AS, reporting of rental incomes, FDs, interest or capital gains. We review your work by a chartered accountant and file it digitally with DSC. 4. HUF tax saving and planning. Make your HUF more tax efficient with structured planning. Our experts assist you with Section 80C and 80D deductions. Planning for HUF. Proper segregation of capital gain and FD incomes. Guidance on family gifts, deeds and fund transfers. Advanced tax estimations and compliance. Planning. This ensures your HUF enjoys all the possible tax benefits while remaining compliant. Setting up an HUF involves multiple steps and legal requirements. Instead of managing each separately, the HUF Starter Kit brings everything together, making the process smooth, affordable, and fully compliant under one expert team. With Afin Advisory, you get expert, legal, and tax professionals. Step-by-step guidance through the entire HUF setup. Ongoing support for taxation and compliance for the whole year. Ongoing support. This kit is ideal for families looking to create an HUF for tax planning, individuals with ancestral property or joint investments, business owners managing family-owned assets, anyone who seeks to structure family income legally and efficiently. Set up your HUF the right way with the HUF Starter Kit from Afin Advisory. From deed and creation to tax filing, we handle it all while you focus on building your family's wealth. Call us at +91 91 93 92 9390 or visit our website at www.afinadvisory.com. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such financial and compliance insights.